All right, I have the art class folder open. We are going to create a website. So we're going to hit the plus sign new, come down to the more selection, and we're going to find the Google Sites. Click on Google Sites. It will load a brand new Google site. This is your website. Now that our website is loaded, we're going to give it a title. This is where you're going to put in your name and portfolio. Okay, don't forget to add the year 2021 through 2022 school year. I can select, I'm going to change this to a subheading. You can also change the font color, you can bold, italicize, underline, etc. So I went ahead and made some changes. I changed the fonts to something that I like. I bolded. I also changed the background image from some of the ones that they have pre-made. When you use more than one type of text, make sure that they are very different from each other so that they do not clash. Now we're going to title this. It needs to be the same thing as your actual title. So it is your full name and portfolio. On the home page, I want you to select a layout. This is going to be a brief picture and introduction of yourself. This could be a drawing of yourself. It could be a photo of yourself. As long as it is school appropriate, you can click the plus sign and upload your image or select from your drive. Since my homepage is an introduction to me, I went ahead and added my self-portrait and I added in my goals for this school year with a brief description about me. I wanted to have 3 goals for this year at a minimum. You can, of course, add more if you want to, or if you have more goals. Next, we're going to add some pages to our portfolio website because we need to make a page for each artwork or each grading cycle. So we're going to call this page Cycle 1. In my Cycle 1 page, I'm going to insert an image with a description. So here I'm going to find the artwork that I did first, which would have been our hibiscus flower. So I'm going to upload my image of my hibiscus flower. Now I have the hibiscus flower with a title and description. Next is going to be our second project, which was the All About Me collage. My first picture fit in the box just fine, but this one doesn't. So I'm going to click on the image and then I'm going to click this uncrop button so it shows the whole picture. Next, I'm going to click to add text. Now that I've added the All About Me collage, I click to add another picture with a description. This time, this is my third project. Depending on your class, you will have had a different project for your Module 3 or your Project 3. If you were in Beginning Art, this was the Abstract Line project. If you were in the Intermediate class, this was the Zentangle Doodle project. And if you were in the High School Art 1 class, this was your Line Monster project. All right, from here we'll click to add an image and text. I decided to use the Zentangle Doodle here for this one. Now I'm going to click on this. I've already uncropped the image so that I have the whole picture, but this time I'm going to crop so that it's the same layout as the actual photo instead of the horizontal layout. So from here, I'm going to zoom in just enough to get the whole image, click the check mark, and I'm done. All right. This time you will be publishing. Join me in the next video.